Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Google Analytics 4 UI dashboards for UX Insights. Complete guide step by step clearly. To update your Google Analytics 4 UI dashboards for enhanced UX Insights, begin by logging into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the property where you wish to update your dashboard. Click on the Explore tab located in the left-hand menu. Select blank to create a new exploration, or choose an existing exploration to modify. In the new exploration interface, identify the dimensions and metrics relevant to user experience. Common dimensions include page title or user medium, while key metrics might involve engagement rate and average engagement time. Drag and drop your selected dimensions into the rows or columns section of the exploration interface. Next, add your chosen metrics to the Values section. Utilize the Date Range selector at the top right to adjust the timeframe for your data analysis. Make use of the filter option to refine your data based on specific segments of users or sessions. Consider applying segments to further distill insights, such as filtering by new versus returning users. Review the visualizations available on the right side of the screen and choose one that best represents your data. Bar charts, line graphs, and pie charts are all useful options based on the insights you wish to convey. Customize your chart settings through the configuration panel. Adjust settings such as sorting and visualization type to align with your goals. Once satisfied with your setup, save your exploration. This will make it easier to access in the future for further analysis or ongoing monitoring. Ensure that you periodically revisit your dashboards to update metrics and gain fresh insights into user experience trends. Consider sharing the updated dashboards with your team for collaborative analysis. Lastly, keep track of how these changes influence user behavior, adapting your approach as necessary for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.